Hey guys, it's Matt here from Automotive Superstore, and today I've got with me the Kenwood DMX820WXS. Now this unit features an 8-inch capacitive touchscreen display and a direct wiring connection for Toyota OEM tile plugs. This unit here also features the Apple CarPlay via USB and the Android Auto via USB. Here we'll launch Apple CarPlay, and as you can see there, it looks really nice and great crystal quality. Now this one here also features the rear camera input and a rear 1.5 amp USB charging port. This one here also does include an external microphone and has the 3 4-volt pre-outs as well on the rear of the unit. Now this unit is currently available to fit a Toyota Corolla from 15 to 17, Fortuner from 15 onwards, and an Alphard as well, but there is soon to be a Hilux kit for this unit as well that will enable you to install it to most Hiluxes. All in all, a great larger style unit from Kenwood.